What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're taking a look at some of the coolest brand new Hot Wheels cars in series that will be coming soon. First, we have the new Mopar Series, which is loaded with some muscle for your collection, including a green Dodge Charger drift car and a Dodge Viper GTSR. There's also an awesome orange 2013 SRT Viper and the custom 77 Dodge van. We get a sweet yellow 71 Plymouth Roadrunner and a red color of the Dixie Challenger, along with a stunning 1970 Dodge Challenger RT and the 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. Now, the most interesting thing about this model is that it features a metal base, unlike the other castings in this series, which are the standard metal bodies over your typical plastic chassis. A lot of new cars have been spotted at the first Hot Wheels Legends event, including this new color of the Custom 01 Acura Integra Gsr. Above the Integra is the upcoming red Morris Mini, and below it is a new color of the Rally Cat. The new Zamac Custom Datsun 240Z was also showed off and will be a good one to look for at Walmart stores. Now, here is the all-new Barbie Corvette Stingray Convertible, which I actually believe is a great looking model. Fans of Tesla cars can look forward to finding this new black Model X that says Tesla Energy, and below it is the custom 77 Dodge van from the Mopar set. If you look on the left, you'll notice the front end of a new red 2018 Mustang GT, which is the first recolor of the new casting. The highlight of this next photo is the Super Treasure Hunt Fiat 500, which is officially confirmed and has the final production set of yellow Super wheels. In the top left corner, you'll notice a cool new blue edition of the custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. On to our next image, which has a lot of good models, starting with the Lamborghini Aventador Miura and Batman Murcielago on the top shelf. Below those supercars, there's a new Ford F-150 Raptor and the upcoming Super Treasure Hunt Audi RS6 Avant. A little look under those two reveal a white Dodge Viper and what looks like a white edition of the Checkmate King Cuda. Hot Wheels is bringing back the Tesla Roadster in a new shade of red to honor the model that was launched to space by Elon Musk and his company SpaceX. On the left, there's a black and red Fairlady 2000, and below that model is a new red version of the Pagani Huayra Roadster. If you're a hypercar fan, check out that Zamac edition of the McLaren P1 at the bottom, which looks like a showstopper with the orange accents. Here we have some new colors of the Fiat 500 and Cool Combi, along with the Land Rover Defender Double Cab and Fast Foodie Quick Bite on the left. This model here is the third mail-in car for 2018, and it's a 1969 Chevelle Ss396. The last photo of the display cases captures a good look at many of the different vehicles from the car culture series, including the new Shop Trucks Borla Silverado and Champion 62 Chevy. There's a new set of Disney pop culture vehicles on the way based on some of the most iconic Disney movies and classic Hot Wheels castings. The first Disney car is the Volkswagen T1 panel bus with Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs across the vehicle. Number 2 is the Deco Delivery based on the famous Walt Disney movie Fantasia. From one of my favorite Disney movies, which is Peter Pan, we have the 34 Dodge Delivery. 101 Dalmatians is the theme of vehicle 4, the Ford Transit Supervan, and Disney car number 5 is the 55 Chevy panel based on the Jungle Book. The Redline Club recently voted to create a special edition of the custom 72 Datsun 240Z, and the winning combination is Spectraflame Race Team Blue and Real Riders 6-spoke wheels. Another cool special edition casting is the GTR R35 from the 2018 Toy Fair event, which looks incredible in its display case. There are some new 2018 exclusive colors to find at Kroger stores, including this HW Flame 62 Chevy 2, a new golden color of Tour de Fast, as well as a bright lime green Gotta Go toilet car. My personal favorite is the black and blue 2016 Ford GT Race. Now for a new 2018 casting, here we have a look at the final production 1987 Dodge D100 pickup truck. We can also expect to find this new HW Flames color of the 55 Chevy later this year in the main line. The Hot Wheels casting Mad Manga has been transformed into a convertible and will be introduced into the Hot Wheels Sports collection. Here's a new look at the upcoming orange recolor of the Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo, which is definitely a new favorite of mine. A highly anticipated Super Treasure Hunt is the 1990 Honda Civic Ef, and we have a better look at the rear of this sought-after casting. This one is a 2019 model, so we won't be finding it until much later this year. Hot Wheels has begun its Epic Legends Tour, which is a major car show event in many different cities around the United States, and they've already showed some incredible cars from Los Angeles, California. Each city will have a winner, such as Mitch's 1949 Ford F5, which will compete with the other major cities' cars for a chance to become a Hot Wheels model. I think the Legends Tour is really cool. I can't wait to see all of the winning cars, and Mitch's Ford F5 looks super awesome. So there we have our Hot Wheels news for today. If you want to stay up to date with the latest cars, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comments below which new car you are most excited to find, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.